Briefing: Milestone progress for Elon Musk's business empire, April 2, 2026. Today, Elon Musk's business portfolio achieved significant breakthroughs across capital markets, legal proceedings, and political engagement. SpaceX initiates trillion-dollar IPO process. Multiple media outlets, including Bloomberg, the BBC, and Al Jazeera, have confirmed that SpaceX has confidentially filed for an initial public offering, IPO. The listing is expected to value the company at $1 trillion, making it a focal point of global capital markets. Analysts suggest that by entering the public market ahead of its AI competitors, SpaceX will not only solidify its leadership in commercial aerospace but also likely propel Musk's net worth past the trillion-dollar mark based on his holdings, making him the first trillionaire in human history. Turning point in legal litigation. On the legal front, a Delaware court recently reassigned a judge in a case involving Musk. This follows previous allegations from Musk's team regarding bias from the original presiding judge. The reassignment is viewed as a tactical victory for Musk as he navigates a series of lawsuits concerning corporate governance and executive compensation packages. Continued penetration of political influence. In the political sphere, Musk's close ties with Donald Trump have once again drawn attention. According to MS Now, Musk was reportedly involved in a phone call between Trump and a foreign leader. This indicates that Musk's influence extends beyond business and technology, as his informal role in diplomacy and national policy becomes increasingly prominent. Summary: the SpaceX IPO filing marks a new era of capital expansion for Musk's empire. Simultaneously, an improving legal environment and rising political status are collectively driving his personal and corporate influence to unprecedented heights. Tesla Dynamics Briefing, April 2, 2026. Tesla has recently made notable progress in autonomous driving technology, commercial transportation, and infrastructure expansion, while simultaneously facing challenges regarding technical transparency and industry competition. In the field of autonomous driving, Tesla admitted that its robotaxi is not entirely reliant on AI in certain complex environments and still requires intervention from remote human drivers. This statement has prompted the market to re-evaluate the maturity of full self-driving (FSD) technology. Meanwhile, Elon Musk revealed that the company is developing a new type of urban transport vehicle that transcends the traditional van concept, aiming to provide a travel experience cooler than a minivan. In commercial logistics, the official rollout of the Tesla semi-electric heavy-duty truck is reshaping the industry landscape. Faced with Tesla's technological lead, traditional truck manufacturers have shown a tendency to respond through litigation rather than pure technical competition. Regarding infrastructure, Tesla has submitted a construction permit application for a new project near Reno Airport, signaling further expansion of its production and logistics footprint in Nevada. Overall, Tesla continues to penetrate various transportation sectors through a diversified product line, though human oversight remains an indispensable foundation in the journey toward full autonomy. Briefing: SpaceX officially launches IPO process, valuation heading toward trillion-dollar milestone. April 2, 2026, marked a historic moment for the global aerospace industry. Authoritative media outlets, including Bloomberg, Reuters, and The Wall Street Journal, confirmed that Elon Musk's Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, SpaceX, has confidentially filed for an IPO. This listing is regarded not only as one of the largest IPOs in history but also as a formal leap for SpaceX from a private giant to the public capital markets. Market sources indicate that SpaceX is targeting a valuation of $1 trillion. This staggering figure reflects its absolute dominance in commercial launches, as well as high investor expectations for the profitability of its Starlink satellite internet business and the deep space potential of Starship. Against the backdrop of AI companies competing for capital, SpaceX's move to go public is seen as a strategic step for Musk to fortify his financial moat amid tech competition. While outlets like The Information noted that SpaceX still faces challenges such as financial transparency, regulatory pressure from high-frequency launches, and macroeconomic volatility, this IPO undoubtedly offers public investors a rare opportunity to share in the dividends of Musk's multi-planetary civilization vision. As the leader in commercial spaceflight, SpaceX's listing will redefine the capital landscape of the global space industry and potentially trigger a new wave of investment in tech stocks. Briefing: legal litigation and operational updates regarding Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter, now X. Date April 2, 2026. The legal aftershocks surrounding Elon Musk's acquisition of the social media platform Twitter continue to unfold. According to a recent judicial ruling, Musk must face a class action lawsuit alleging that he failed to disclose his stake in Twitter in a timely manner in early 2022 as required by regulations. A jury found that Musk's delayed disclosure caused some investors to suffer losses during stock price fluctuations, ruling him legally liable. In related litigation, Musk questioned the fairness of the jury's verdict regarding Twitter stock, specifically criticizing the impact of the so-called joke involving the 4.20 price implication on the judgment. Beyond legal disputes, the transformation of Twitter remains a focal point. Despite earlier rumors of plans to lay off 75% of the workforce, analysts point out that such massive cuts faced significant practical challenges in maintaining basic operations and technical stability. From a broader perspective, Twitter, now renamed X, has become a vital piece of Musk's vast business empire. As the head of SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has used the privatization of Twitter to deeply integrate it with his strategic layouts in politics, cryptocurrency, such as Dogecoin, and artificial intelligence. Currently, Musk is navigating the dual challenges of investor compensation lawsuits stemming from the acquisition and the growing pains of the platform's transformation. Neuralink technical progress and social impact briefing. As of April 2026, Musk's brain-computer interface company, Neuralink, has made significant strides in clinical applications and global expansion. The first implanted patient, Nolan Arbaugh, recently demonstrated a breakthrough application of the technology. He is now able to control a computer entirely through thought, smoothly playing complex massive online games such as World of Warcraft. This progress is not just a revolution in entertainment, it represents a key milestone for paralyzed patients to regain autonomy in their digital lives. Globally, Neuralink's clinical trials are accelerating. A man from Ontario, Canada, became one of the first participants in that country, viewing this life-changing technology as a hope for restoring motor function and reshaping his future. Meanwhile, Arbaugh has been actively sharing his recovery journey through public events, such as the Yeshiva Seminar in Michigan, showcasing the immense potential of brain-computer interfaces to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities. However, as the technology gains traction, discussions on neuroethics are heating up in academia. Experts point out that while pursuing breakthroughs in neuroscience, a robust ethical framework must be established to address potential challenges such as privacy protection, cognitive intervention, and equity in technical access. Overall, Neuralink is moving from the laboratory into real life, demonstrating powerful empowerment while prompting humanity to re-examine the boundaries between technology and ethics.